Good morning, students. Okay, today we are going to study about the history chapter, unit first, advent of Europeans to India. In this chapter, we are covering the points like trade relations of India with the European countries and the arrival of Europeans to India and the Carnatic Wars and the British rule in India and the Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar. Let's see one by one. The trade relations of India with the Europe. Yes, in the ancient period also, India had the trade relations with the European countries. Indian commodities, Indian spices had the great demand in the European countries. Arabian merchants, the Arab merchants who had carried the lot of spices and the commodities and they sold in the Constantinople. A Constantinople which was the ancient international trading center and that was later captured by the Ottoman Turks. So that's why all merchants, Italian merchants, Arab merchants, they all merchants who felt the unhappy and they started to see the alternative route to the India. The Italian merchants who had the monopoly over the all commercial activities, they encouraged the Portuguese sailors to search the route to the India. That's why they invented a gunpowder, mariner compass and other materials which was helpful for the inventing a new route to the India. And like that, how they inspired to the sailors, one of the Portuguese sailor, the Vasco da Gama, the Vasco da Gama who reached the India and by that he discovered the sea route to the India. So the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama invented the sea route to the India. That's why the Portuguese were the first who arrived to the India. But later, after the Vasco da Gama, the Portuguese viceroy Francisco de Almeida who came to India and he implemented the blue water policy. Through his blue water policy, he developed the trade in the India. But after him, the Alfonso de Albuquerque who came to India and who had did the fight with the Bijapur Sultan and who won the Goa and he made the Goa as his capital and as his trading center. So Alfonso de Albuquerque, known as the real founder of the Portuguese. In 1510, he won the Goa. So that's why the Alfonso de Albuquerque considered as the real founder of the Portuguese. And after that, the Dutch who came to India.